Hello, how are you today? This is Bong Soo-jung, Korean labor attorney. Today I like to talk about very interesting article regarding the overtime payment. According to this morning's paper, it is said 1/3 of companies do not pay the overtime pay for white-collar workers. So why they didn't pay such overtime for extra working hours? The reason is they introduced the inclusive wage system. Inclusive wage means that they decide the base pay and they introduce additionally some overtime payment. So every month they pay same, but this money include base pay plus the fixed overtime allowance. So company do not pay such overtime. So many companies use this system, but Labor Standards Act stipulate wages should be decided on the contractual working hours rather than actual working hours. So this company include fixed overtime based on extra overtime work. So in that case, that is violation. Why many companies violating this overtime rule is law has been changed like since July 2007. At that time, inclusive wage was widely acceptable, but after that time, the employment contract must have like wage based on contractual working hours. So many companies do not follow this law. So since the revision of this law in July 2007, the court gradually ruled the company introduced inclusive wage are violating Labor Standards Act. So still the problem is labor office, labor administration office, still they do not regulate, do not punish those employer who violate this inclusive wage. The reason is so many companies are using inclusive wage system in order not to pay the overtime pay. These are violation of Labor Standards Act. So now I think before too late, because when the court ruled this violation, then company must pay retroactively for past 30 years to all workers. So in order to save their cost, also in order to follow the Labor Standards Act strictly, they must abolish the inclusive wage system for those people working under measurable working system. But some inclusive wage is only possible for exceptionally those their working hours cannot be measurable, such as intermittent and surveillance work or working outside of company. These are exceptionally accepted, but the other one, those work that can be possible for calculation of working hours must they are entitled to the overtime payment based on the hours exceeding their contractual working hours. Okay, this is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.